Hello and welcome. My name is Paul Cunningham and I'm very pleased to be presenting this course to you. I'm a Microsoft MVP for Office servers and services, which includes products and services such as Exchange Server and Office 365. If you'd like to know more about me, you can check out my bio on the Pluralsight website or visit my blog, or you can find me on Twitter. And for more Exchange Server tips and tutorials, be sure to check out exchangeserverpro.com. This course is one of a series that will cover the exam objectives for Microsoft Certification Exam 70-345, which is the Exchange 2016 certification exam. This course covers the Plan, Deploy, Manage and Troubleshoot Client Access module of the Designing and Deploying Microsoft Exchange Server 2016 exam. In this course, you'll learn about how clients connect to Exchange 2016, which means you'll learn about namespaces, certificates, load balancing, mobile access and devices, troubleshooting of course, and we're also going to look at address books and the Office Online Server. Throughout this course, you can expect to see explanations of technical concepts and also demonstrations of configuration and management tasks. I'm going to be using lots of PowerShell. In fact, I will very rarely go into the graphical administration tools for Exchange. Here and there, I might also give you some additional recommended reading, just some extra supplementary material that will help you with your exam preparation. What we're not going to cover is general Exchange deployment tasks. That means you won't see me prepare Active Directory for Exchange or install any Windows servers. You certainly won't see me installing Exchange Server 2016 from scratch. If you want some help with those tasks, check out my Pluralsight course titled Migrating to Exchange 2016, which does have several videos that cover those setup steps, or you can reference the lab setup guide that is provided with this course. Throughout this course, we'll be working in the Globomantics environment. So I'd like to introduce you to my good friend Dave. Dave is the systems engineer for Globomantics, and now that Exchange 2016 is up and running, he's been tasked with configuring high availability for client access in the Globomantics environment. He's also been asked to provide secure mobile access to email and calendars for the Globomantics users. He needs to configure address books for the National Globomantics organization, and he's also been asked to deploy an Office Online Server for web-based access to Office documents. The Globomantics environment as it stands today is the same as we left it in the first course in this series. So if you've watched that course, you should remember that we do have 2 Exchange 2016 servers in San Francisco and 2 Exchange 2016 servers in New York. Those 4 servers have been configured for high availability for the mailbox databases. In other words, they were configured for a database availability group. So there are 4 databases in the environment replicating to 4 separate copies on the 4 separate Exchange servers in that DAG. Now, all of that stuff you can just think of as the back-end services. And we're not going to talk too much about that for the rest of this course. Instead, we're going to focus on the front-end services. The front-end services provide client access. That's where mobile devices and Outlook clients and web browsers connect to access user mailboxes and calendars. So let's get started.